Hello, this YouTube is inspired by Jenny. Jenny F, you made reference to that wonderful story of the woman that wanted to date and marry a very specific man, and it's a story in Neville Goddard's book, The Law and the Promise. Now, I'm going to put the link to The Law and the Promise, and I will find the title of the story for you and just write it on there so you can just fast forward in the audiobook, or I'll give the PDF as well of The Law and the Promise so you can find it. So why I'm bringing this up is that that woman did very specific things. She used imagination creates reality because she knew about Neville. And she didn't worry about, obviously then, no social media to contact someone on, no WhatsApp, no Messenger, Instagram, anything. Mobile phones didn't even exist. So using imagination then, you didn't really have that much ability to connect with people, so it was incredibly important to do that work. So I'm going to put the link down below so that you can read that story, because I've had some emails about that story and people really loving it, and it is a very good story. So I'm going to do that for you now after I finish this YouTube. And also, those of you that struggle with trust, now, I'm going to show you another YouTube, and this man's ability to trust, I'm not going to tell you what it is because it's actually not law of attraction related, but this is an amazing, amazing ability to trust. And if this guy can do it with the conditions and circumstances that he is under, then I want you to think about, if he can do that, then I'm going to practice trusting under the conditions that I'm in, okay? Because it's an incredible thing to be able to trust. And I know many of you suffer from lack of trust. And many people do. They don't trust men, they don't trust women, they don't trust their bosses, they don't trust to lend people money, they don't trust they'll get the job that they want. There's a lack of trust. And as you project that out as a vibe, then what happens is you attract not good situations. Anyway, I've got an interview ringing me. Gotta go.